पे बात करते थे इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट.
Hello everyone, this is Lakshay from Zex Media and we have Asher over here, right? So hi Asher, how are you?
I'm doing good, Laksh. How are you?
I'm good. So enjoying the event?
The event has been superb so far. Yesterday we had a few more people here, and they will be joining us in some time today itself. We have a guest speaker also, Avinash Dubey, who will be speaking today in the segment. So we're waiting for that. I think that is going to be at 1 o'clock. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Great, looking forward to it. And just let us know what exactly pay you do.
So basically, PayU is a payment gateway company, right? It has been there in the system, in the Indian ecosystem for somewhere around 13 years now. I believe 2011 we started here, right? Operations, and we have been one of the major players in the payment aggregator industry here. And what happens in PayU is basically we process your whatever card payments you are doing on like n number of merchants across the across Indian ecosystem and across the globe also, because we are live with somewhere around 23 countries. So PayU Global is also there, but that has been now sold entity. But PayU still is there, PayU Payments, and we are dealing into your basic modes, your payments that you do online via your UPI channels, via your cards, your net bankings.
Most of us already seen the pay you, but they don't recognize that much.
Yes. So basically, we are empowering those merchants who are collecting payments online. That they are majorly the big brands of your e-commerce, your travel segment. The major OTAs are live with us. They are working with us. So now, if anybody, any individual goes and books a ticket on the website of, let's say, any of the merchants, any of the big player which is there, they will find PayU there, right? So we are there, we are empowering, and merchants also have a very good relationship with us, because what we do is we have been in the industry for so long. We have been very compliant with all the regulations which are there in the RBI, and we have given the best success rates, the best conversion ratios to the merchants, the e-commerce player, where success ratio is a very impactful thing for them, that is directly proportional to their business, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, that we have done, and we have attained good heights here in India, and Southeast Asia also. We have multiple partners who are working with us, and we provide the same payments facilities. Currently, what we are doing is we have developed a product of data insights, which helps the merchants acquire more customer base to their website, their applications, and to enrich their own dormant database which they have, right? So we are working around that these days, and the market response have been very good. So basically it helps the marketing team of the e-commerce players and the travel segment players and the other whosoever is doing marketing on Instagram, Facebook, or any of the Google ads, Facebook, YouTube. So that helps them, right, acquire new clientele, new business, new customers. That increases their business and reduces their marketing expenditure, which they are doing with multiple other organizations or players. So what we are doing is we are giving them a one-stop solution for their credit line, for their payment collections, and for the customer enrichment part as well.
And what's the trend, the newer innovations that you exactly follow right now? Because there are, let's say, we'll talk about AI. AI has been into the market booming since last 2 years very much, right? So what are the exact trends and innovations that you think is going to be the future of new fintech?
So new fintech, I believe AI will be playing a very very major role here, because still there are there are merchants, there are PGs who are working very on a manual effort, right? They are configuring those rules, those reports which they are getting are not that much automated. They have to do their reconciliations in a manual manner. What I have seen so far. But now, since the AI is coming into the picture, what will happen is that AI will be automating a lot of things, right, for them, increasing the productivity of a player. So let's say an individual is giving 8 hours, doing a 8-hour job, and 4 hours he is spending on Excels and doing those number crunching and all that from the finance perspective, right? So that will help free those 4 hours which he can use in a different role, or in a different he can maybe use it to learn something, or he can do some other work in the company, right? Increasing the productivity by, I think, that 10 to 15%. But yes, that will take certain time. it will take some time for AI to be that deep integrated with the ecosystem, and AI will also have its own challenges as well, right? Because see, you cannot bypass a human interaction, and that is something which will always be there. But yes, AI can increase the productivity from the operational point of view to a very good level.
It's going to be a catalyst, but not a main role
Not a
player. Yeah.
main role player. Yeah, that is definitely going to be there.
Great. So hope to see more innovations and see you in next edition as well. Right. Thank you so much for your time.